Welcome to the overview of the Designers Project by Michaela Martinez and Rebecca Marks.
First, we'll tell you about the topic that we chose. When determining a topic to explore for our solution design, we decided to focus on a project that has professional relevance to our team. Mile High Early Learning's CDA Training and Seminar is a program that helps people get certified in early childhood education. It is currently a hybrid training that is moving fully online. Our team is working to support the facilitators with maintaining the integrity of the training, while also incorporating gamification elements to support online learning.
The next piece of our project is focusing on our approach to analysis. There were two key areas in need of analysis. One was creating the optimal solution design plan, which we use the ADDIE model as a framework for. And the second was the analysis of our learners' needs, which we developed learner personas in order to unpack. The ADDIE model of instructional design was utilized because of the sequential nature of the stages, and it helped provide clarity to our planning, while also allowing sufficient flexibility to enable creativity. When creating our learner personas, we wanted to explore the hopes, needs, expectations, and the experiences of both the facilitator and a participant of the training. This process really helped us to be more client-oriented and realistic while setting up the training.
Our design document was part of our analysis. When we were working through our learner personas, there was a clear learning gap identified. The facilitators of the training had limited knowledge of or skills with web-based interactive games and activities. Our instructional approach uses face-to-face training with time for content learning, discussion, and practice. We will assess the learners via rubrics and formal assessments. We will also allow time for practice and utilize other technology like Zoom conferencing to support with questions and concerns between our training sessions.
Next, we'll take a look at our storyboard. Our storyboard works to connect our learning objectives to our instructional content and provides a glimpse into what the training experience will be like for the CDA instructors. The instructors of the CDA training will be working to remember the steps to creating gamification elements and also creating gamification elements to be utilized in the training. Here is an example of some of our instructional objectives. Our storyboard provides some insight into what a typical face-to-face session for our instructors will look like. It will include an opening discussion, instruction, practice time, and assessment.
Finally, we'll get into our evaluation plan. Through the use of formative and summative assessments, our evaluation plan serves two purposes. First, to determine if the learners can effectively apply the content to a real-world scenario, and also to determine what modifications need to be made to the learning design in order to improve the program for the future. We will use rubrics, surveys, and face-to-face discussions to evaluate the progress of our instructional design and allow for ample time to improve them. We will conclude the project with a final survey before communicating the results to our stakeholders. We hope that this project provides Mile High Early Learning CDA training and seminar ample support to grow their clientele outside of the Denver metro area, as well as giving the current early care and education workforce a foundational training that buttresses the important work that they do every day. Thank you very much for listening to Rebecca Marks and
Michaela Martinez.